Hello viewers, again we welcome you all. We hope you all are doing well. Today we will know about commercial banking and what are its cons and pros. Also we discuss about the job profile and how to make a career in this field. The term commercial banking is related to commercial banks, so knowing about commercial banks is necessary. So let's start the video. What is commercial bank? The term commercial bank is defined as a financial institution which provides many services such as giving certificates of deposit, loans and for many purposes. Bank drafts, lines of credit facility, etc. to the people. They operate on a commercial basis and its main objective is profit. These organizations make money by lending loans to the people and earning interest on those money. These institutions help in maintaining the economic and social stability of the people in different sectors, which ensure the sustainable growth of a nation. What is commercial banking? This term refers to the banking service that are designed for corporations, institutions and governments. It is completely inverse the banking service offered to the individuals. In this banking, many of the products and services offered to corporations and institutions are specifically designed to meet their financial needs. Difference between commercial banks and other banks. It is completely different from other types of banking. For example, investment banks serve only investors by raising capital for their respective firms, and retail banks, which is also known as consumer banking, serves the general public. Types of commercial bank in India. There are three types of commercial banks in India: public sector banks, private banks and foreign banks. Public sector bank. The banks in which maximum stakes are owned by the government. Example, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Allahabad Bank, Canara Bank, etc. Private sector banks. The banks in which maximum stakes are held by an individual or a private organization like Reliance Industry Limited, Adani Enterprises, etc. Example, HDFC, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, IDFC Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, Federal Bank, etc. Foreign banks. The banks of which the headquarters are situated in the other countries. Example, HSBC headquarters in Hong Kong, Citibank headquarter in USA, JP Morgan Chase Bank headquarter in United States of America, etc. Jobs profile in commercial banking and salary range. There are many job profiles in commercial banking. In this field, you can find comfortable jobs in various positions such as, in short, there are branch manager, compliance manager, relationship manager, business development manager, loan officer, and teller are the main position in commercial bank. Branch manager. We all are familiar with this position. This is the main post in a bank. All the work in a bank is undergone by this person, and if any mistake is made by the bank, the first action is taken against the branch manager. In the starting of the job, a branch manager is paid by around 4,80,000 per annum, but after 2 to 4 years of experience, the annual salary increases up to 8 lakh to 14 lakh per annum. Compliance manager. This is one of the big position in bank. This person makes sure that the bank's policy comply with the federal guidelines. A compliance manager in hand salary ranges between 5 lakh to 12 lakh per annum. Relationship manager. As the name of the position suggests, its main responsibility is to make a strong relation between a bank and its client. She helps to acquire, retain and expand the bank's business clients. Mainly, banks prefer lady for this position. The ambitionbox.com says a relationship manager annually gets 3,20,000 to 6 lakh per annum. Business development manager. BDM are responsible for managing expectation and developing business solutions for their organization. They are in charge of creating effective business plans to generate more revenue, increase brand loyalty, and improve customer satisfaction. The starting salary of a business development manager is 4,80,000 annually, but it goes up to 7,20,000 per annum or more on the basis of performance. Loan officer. He represents the bank who assists borrowers in the application process. He evaluates the loan application and recommends further position action on the loan application. Loan officers are often called mortgage loan officers, who must be duly licensed. A loan officer is annually paid 3.60 lakhs to 4.80 lakhs per annum. Teller. A teller is a bank employee who helps the customers to meet with their cash-based transaction. Sometimes a teller is also known as cashier. There is no difference in both. He is also responsible for overseeing the ATM withdrawals, balancing the accurate number of deposit and withdrawal at the end of the day, answering phone calls and direct customers when needed. Their salary range between 3 lakh to 4,20,000 per annum. So this is all about the today's topic. Hope our video helped you to understand more about the commercial banking. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.